Hello guys, how you doing? Today we're gonna explain something so important. It's about title block and template. It is where the layout. In AutoCAD, we have two things. We have model and we have layout. Layout where we just print our PDF file or something. On the blank file, AutoCAD, we don't have like template, real template. Just we have this small rectangle. If we want to get like template, we need to download it from the software itself. It's here. It's so easy. But first, let's just draw something. Circle, then rectangle. We're gonna give like everyone hash by object. Then we wanna then enter again. But on this one, we need something different. We need like this one with a different color. So we want to print it out in the layout, but we need to get it from template. We get template from the files. It's already downloaded with the software files. So you don't need to do anything. Just go there, then choose A4. We want A4. Here we go. We got template. We double click, then scroll, double click, by scroll. It's getting in the model here. So by this we can like get a ready template. There's another viewport here, right here. Double click, then scroll, double click. We get a similar thing. We want to write something here, like circle plus rectangle. We want to write email address altuwaiki@gmail.com. Then we want some like contact name. It's gonna be Ali Altuwaiki. Then we need contact phone. It's gonna be +986 9. So by this we fill all the like necessary information for this template. So it's so easy. If we want to print it out, just go into the print, then we choose like PDF preview. It's going to be like this. Print it out, save. So here we go. We got our PDF file by the template. So we don't need to just make another title block. It's already there. It's on the software files. Just go and find it. And you have another examples of this template. You can get it from the same place. So we go back to the model. Thanks guys.